Hello and welcome to Someka Call Center KPI Dashboard template. Key performance indicators are important for companies, and this tool lets you to track these figures in a professional and user-friendly way. So let's see how it works now. Basically, the tool has two main sections. The first one is the section in which we input our values like current year actual figures, target figures, and past year actual figures. The second one is the section at which we analyze our results, like in a dashboard view and together with charts, which we'll see in a moment. Additionally, in KPI's info sheet, you can see the details and descriptions for each KPI we have used in the template. Okay, we have put some dummy information to show you the tool, but of course you will fill this template with your own data. For example, let's make one now. I want to add new profits KPI to my KPI report. So I'm going to add this new KPI item to my input sections. I can use the existing blank areas, or I can add a new row. I'm going to use the business value group for this moment. Instead of inputting manually, let's say I have a different file I got from finance department, and I'm just going to copy and paste the values accordingly. So let's take the past year figures and put it into past year actual section to the bottom, and let's take the current year targets, and I'm going to put it into the current year targets section. And similarly, last one is the current year actual, which has only 6 months for now, and I'm going to put it into the current year actual. Okay, now we can see the dashboard updates accordingly with our new KPI. Here we see the specific month results, and on the right side we see the cumulative figures. We can change the month from here to any specific month, so our dashboard updates accordingly. We can also see the charts to get an idea about the trends. We can inspect the target, actual, and together with cumulative values here. Okay, let's choose our new KPI here, new profit KPI, and trends updates accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net. Thank you.